The switch allows electricity to flow through wires to the light bulb.
Welcome to the classroom of the future. And clearly the future is all about tablets and the web.
You can actually just click on the home button and it'll bring you anywhere.
It's kind of like an iPad, but it's better.
Yeah.
It's called the Kineo. It's mainly targeted for learning and it's really easy to use.
It's officially the year of the tablet, and among the contenders for our attention comes the Kineo, the only tablet designed specifically for learning.
My toughest subject would probably be writing, and what it does, it goes through lessons and plays along with you to help you better understand.
Helping students to understand is exactly what the Kineo is all about. One of the popular applications assesses and teaches the standards students face on state tests.
It's it's like a textbook with study guides, calculators, fun games, movies. That's handy and it's portable.
Not only does the Kineo provide a quick assessment of a student's skills, but it's also built school safe, allowing access to internet sites only previously approved by administrators. Administrators control which ebook titles are installed. Access is restricted to defined websites. Students cannot download or delete applications.
If you're having trouble with a subject, you can click the subject and then you'll take a post-test or a pre-test, and if you get it wrong, it tells you what you did wrong and how to solve it.
Teaching students how to solve it, that's what the new Kineo Android tablet is all about.